Okay class, in chapter 11 today, we are going to learn about digestive system. In standard 3, you learned about digestive system, its function and its importance. In this chapter today, you will learn about disorders in the digestive system. You will also learn how to protect the system by observing proper eating habits. In digestive system, digestion occurs at the mouth, stomach, and small intestine. It starts at the mouth, proceeds at the stomach, and ends in the small intestine. Undigested food is stored temporarily at the large intestine before eliminated as feces through anus. This diagram represents human digestive system. It consists of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Each organ does a specific function. The organs work together to facilitate the breakdown of food into simpler substance to be absorbed by the body. Sometimes the digestive system may become inefficient due to poor eating habits. Disorders may occur at any part of the system. During digestion, these include indigestion, heartburn, and stomach ulcers. And now let's see the disorders of the digestive system. First, it is indigestion. It's a disorder usually associated with pain and discomfort. It is caused by eating habits that may result to partial digestion of food in the stomach. The following are the causes of indigestion. First, it is smoking cigarettes. Second, it is consumption of alcohol. Third, it is stress. And lastly, it is overeating and swallowing food without chewing properly. The symptoms of indigestion. First, it is stomach ache, vomiting and nausea, abdominal discomfort, bloating and bleaching. The following are the ways of preventing indigestion: eating a reasonable amount of food, drinking enough water, eating slowly and chewing properly, avoid food with a lot of acid, and lastly, it is consumption of food containing graphages, such as vegetables. The second disorder, it is heartburn. It is a burning sensation which occurs when an acidic food moves from the stomach back to the esophagus through sphincter muscle. The acid causes a severe burning sensation from the upper to lower part of the chest. The following are the causes of heartburn: overfeeding, eating too much oil and fat food delays digestion, eating food with high acidic content, and going to bed shortly after meals. The symptoms include burning sensation in the chest, belching, and having sour taste in the mouth. The prevention and control of heartburn: consuming food at normal pace instead of eating fast, eating small amount of food at regular interval, drinking enough water, doing physical exercise, and lastly, consult for medical advice and further treatment. And the last disorder, it is stomach ulcers. It is a disorder as a result of wounds at the lining of the stomach. The enzymes and acid digest the wall of stomach and create ulcers. Ulcers are associated with excessive bleeding and pain, and they also occur at the duodenum. The following are the causes of stomach ulcers: eating little food, eating food containing acids, severe fasting or prolonged fasting, action of stomach acid on bare stomach walls, and lastly, it is excessive consumption of alcohol.